Hey everyone, I'm Laura. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Thanks for coming back if you're returning. So today I'm going to show you how to repurpose all of your household recycling. Give everything that you see here a second life. When I look down, I do not see waste. This is not the first thing that comes to my mind. The first thing that comes to my mind is it is free. I see potential. I see potential to help me in the garden. I have some cedar trays. I have a greenhouse. I have plant containers. I can grow some seeds in here. Let's turn all of this recycling into this. So by the end of this video, you're going to look at your recycling a little differently. If you can repurpose something, why not do it? So all I have here is an old coffee canister. Same idea as the coffee cans, we're gonna drill some holes. These are some plastic egg cartons, and I'm going to turn this into a greenhouse. And yogurt containers are great for seed starting. Pop some seeds in. You can use these to protect your new seedlings that you transplant. So there's a lot of wind going on right now. I'm going to use these trolls to show you what I mean. Let's put on the covers. So imagine these are plants. Normally what I would do is put holes along the side so I can put some pins in and this won't fly away. So everybody has toilet paper rolls in their house, probably some paper towel rolls also. These are great for the compost, but they are awesome to repurpose into seed pots. About using the paper towel rolls and the toilet paper rolls is that they're biodegradable. They break down. You could take your little tiny plant that grew in here and put it right into the garden. And there you have it, how easy it is to repurpose our recycling that we found in our household. Not only is this creating a zero waste lifestyle, this is an awesome activity that you can do with your kids. We're teaching them about the environment, about recycling, repurposing items, and of course gardening. So these coffee canisters are now repurposed, and I repotted some of my herb plants. I'm going to grow some sunflowers in these containers, some more flowers here. I have some sprouts growing. We planted some tomatoes and we're using our new greenhouse cover. I'm gonna grow some chives, and of course, these are our covers to help protect our baby plants when we transplant them in spring outside in the garden. Everything here has a new purpose, and that's kind of awesome because we've just given new life to something that was just gonna get thrown out and put into a landfill. Share in the comments below if you have repurposed anything in your household for your garden. Thanks for watching. See you next time.